To create this font text, you can use any video of your choice, but I'll be using a picture for this illustration and I'll be using the CapCut app. So open up CapCut, click on new project, and then I will be bringing in the picture I want to use. All right. Delete this CapCut logo at the end. Then I'll click on my picture and extend it a little depending on how long you want your clip to be. So to create a similar video like this, all you need to do is put in your text on your video. So click on text below, click on add text. Okay, and then I'll put this. So my caption is "Have a beautiful day." So I'll start with the first letter, half, the letter on top. Then I'm going to be extending this. Okay, so let's use a color that will stand out on this video. I'll go to style and then I'll find a color that is very obvious. So what you want to do now is come to this text clip, okay, and drag it. My video is about 7 seconds long, so I want this text clip to be about 3.5 seconds or thereabout, in between. I'll just leave it at here. Okay, to get that text effect, this is what you do: highlight your clip and then split them into small bits. Can you see what I'm doing? Split it into small clips. So I'm going to keep doing this. So about this is okay. Then in each of these clip, I'll highlight and change the font. So I'll start with the second clip and then I'll go to the style here below. I'll click here and then I'll go to font and change that to flexible. Can you see? Click on the tick sign, then go to the third clip and do the same. Click on the editing key and then change the font to another one. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I'll go to the next one. I'll keep doing that till I've changed all the fonts on the clips, on the small splitted clips. So after doing that, this is what we have here. Can you see? The next thing is to bring the second letter, which is "Have a beautiful day," right? So I'm just going to bring it right under this last splitted clip. And then I'll click on add text and bring it down. Okay. And bring it down. Then I'll be writing here. All right. So this is the second write up. And then I'll be changing the color to something else. So this time around, I'm going to give it a black color. And then for the stroke, let's go for this. Okay, so just like I did with the previous clip, I'm going to extend this to the end of this clip and then also extend this too. All right, so just like I did with the first clip, I'm going to start splitting here. I'll highlight the second clip, split, move the playhead. So just like we did with the first one, I'll go to the first clip, highlight it, and then I'll click on the style feature and then click on font. I'm going to be changing each of all these fonts. Okay, so just like this, I'm going to click on the tick sign, go to the next one, and repeat the same process. Okay, so we've come to the end of the second write-up. So this last one, I'm going to just highlight it and then find animation. I'm going to be using a continuous animation here. So click on loop and use any one of your choice, but this is the one I used on mine. Then I'm going to slow it down a little. The effects should be very readable. Okay. And then I'm going to also change that font to something else. So play with all the fonts and choose the one that suits your desire. Okay. And just like I did with this too, I'll also go to this one, highlight it, and then click on animation. For the first letter, I'll use this Kobo 3. So we are going to be saving this now, and then we'll bring it back to speed it up for a faster effect. Click on new project and bring in the video you just saved. So we are just going to highlight this now and then speed it up. So click on speed, depending on how fast you want the effects to take place. So I'll give mine a 1.4. Click on the tick sign and let's play and see. Can you see the fun effects it gave the video? And use this to add spice to your video. Instead of just putting a plain boring text, you can just come up with something like this to, grab your viewers' attention. You can use the same technique in other editing apps like the InShot app to also achieve the same process. Thank you for watching to the end. Make sure you share this video and drop your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next one. Bye. Have a creative day.